In this video, I will show you how to auto-link featured images to posts in WordPress. First of all, open any browser and log into your WordPress account. Take your mouse on the Plugins option and click on Add New Plugin from the drop-down. Search WP Code in the search bar at the right side. Here you will see WP Code Application. Click on Install now. After the installation completes, click on Activate. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard. On the left side, scroll down and you will find the option Code Snippets. Take your mouse on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the Add Snippet option from here. On the next page, click on All Snippets from the left side. Then scroll down and you will find this option, Automatically Link Featured Images. Take your mouse on it and click on Use Snippet. A new page will appear from where you can manage the snippet functionality. Here you will see this code. What you simply have to do is to click on this switch button from the top, then click on Update, and now your featured images will be auto-linked to your WordPress posts.